students, next topic in lesson 1 is center of gravity. Center of gravity is also called as CG. We'll make it an abbreviation form CG. Center of C stands for center, gravity. G stands for gravity, center of gravity. What is the center of gravity? Let us consider a body, a rigid body. Whatever the body it is, it will be having some weight. So all the particles present in this body will be having the weight, and all the weights are acting downwards. So all the weights, W1, W2, 3, 4, how many they are, how many particles it has, all the weights of these particles will be acting downwards. So we know this earlier, that weight of the body is acting downwards due to the gravitational force. Now what is the center of gravity? For every body there is a point in the body or outside the body where the whole weight of the body is supposed to act. So there is a point where the whole weight of the body is supposed to act. So the weight of all these are summed and they are acting at this point called center of gravity. The whole weight of the body is supposed to act. So W is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 and so on. So the whole weight is acting at one particular point in a body. So what is center of gravity? A point in a body or outside the body where the whole weight of the body is supposed to act is called center of gravity. So this center of gravity depends on two factors. Depends on its shape. When shape is changing, shape of the body is changing, the center of gravity position also changes. So when shape is changing, the position of center of gravity also changes. So this is the factor on which the center of gravity depends. And the other one is distribution of mass. Distribution of mass. The way the mass of the body was distributed depends on that also. The CG will be varying. The position of CG will be changed due to its shape and its distribution of mass. If we change these two, the position of center of gravity also will be changed. Now let us see some examples for center of gravity. Different shapes, let us see. The rigid body which is in the shape of a square. The center of gravity, the CG, will be lying at the point where the diagonals of the square will be intersecting. So the diagonals of the square are intersecting at this point where the whole weight of the body is supposed to act, and that point is called as center of gravity. Now let us see for parallelogram. Same in the case of rectangle also. Rectangle, parallelogram. So all these things will be having the center of gravity at the point where the diagonals intersect. So the center of gravity for square, for parallelogram or for the rectangle is the point where the diagonals intersect. Now let us see the center of gravity for a triangle. For triangle, the center of gravity is the point where the medians intersect. So the medians of the triangle will be intersecting at a point, and this point is called its center of gravity. So the center of gravity of the triangle is a point where the medians of the triangle are intersecting. Let's move on. For a circle, sphere or a disc or ring, whatever it is, different form. The center of gravity is at a geometric center. Next, moving on for a cylindrical shape. For a cylindrical shape, the center of gravity is at the center of its axis. There is an axis passing through the center of the cylinder, and the center of gravity of this cylinder is lying at the center of its axis. So this is the center of gravity for a cylinder or ring. Now let us take the hollow bodies, ring. The center of gravity is at geometric center, as we have told earlier when it is in circular shape or ring or sphere. Now the center of gravity is also at the center. Now we can clearly see that center of gravity gravity is lying outside the body. So there is a chance that center of gravity may be outside the body also. Boomerang, center of gravity will be outside the body, somewhere here. So center of gravity will lie outside the body, the point where all these things are intersecting. So this is the CG of boomerang. So the center of gravity may lie within the body or outside the body, but it is the point where the whole weight of the body is supposed to act. All V-shaped, L-shaped, all these bodies are having the center of gravity outside the body. Now let us see, these are the examples of center of gravity for regular bodies. They are having particular shape. Now let us see the center of gravity for irregular bodies. So let us take an irregular body as an example. So there is no particular shape. If there is a particular shape for square, intersection of diagonals, for rectangle, intersection of diagonals, for triangle, intersection of medians, for circle, geometric center, for cylinder, center of its axis. So all these things, they are having particular shape. Now there is no particular shape, irregular body. So how come we will determine the center of gravity of an irregular body? Simple. So wherever there are some sharp turns in that irregular body, make some holes. Make some points. Now let me consider 1, 2, 3 and 4. So make some points at each corner and mark them 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now make a hole and hang this regular body to a wall so that it is free to move. So now I have nailed it to the wall and now the irregular body is free to move. After that, when it is stabilized, now draw a line passing from the point 1. So fix a nail through the point 1 and hook it to the wall and then draw a line from point 1 passing through the point 1. So this line is called plumb line. Plumb line. So repeat this with respect to all the points. Repeat the same process. Remove the nail, hook it to the point 2 and suspend it to a wall and draw a plumb line. Same with 3, 4. Now all these lines are passing through a point and that particular point of this irregular body is its center of gravity. So this is the process how we will identify the center of gravity of an irregular body. So the center of gravity is the point where the whole weight of the body is supposed to act. Now let us see some of the previous questions what they have asked in ICSE board exam. In 2013 they asked you like this. Where is the center of gravity of an uniform ring situated? Uniform ring situated. We have already seen for a ring. It was situated outside the body, but at the center of geometric center of the ring. And one more question from 2013. The position of center of gravity of a body remains unchanged. The center of gravity will not change. The statement says that. Unchanged even when the body is deformed. When the body is deformed means when the body's shape and size were changed, the center of gravity does not change. This is the statement what they gave. State whether the statement is true or false. State whether the statement is true or false. I told you earlier the center of gravity will be changing its position when the shape is changed or distribution of mass is changed. So now the statement they have given is by changing its shape the center of gravity will not be altered. It is a false statement. By changing its shape the center of gravity position will be also changed. Now move on. Moving on to 2015. On what factor does the position of center of gravity of the body depends? On what factor does the position of center of gravity depends? These are the two factors on which the center of gravity depends. Center of gravity depends on its shape and also on the distribution of mass. So these are the similar questions what they are repeatedly asking in ICSE board exam related to center of gravity. So this is what about center of gravity.